Good morning, everybody. For today's vlog, guys, I would like to share to you. I would love to share with you. I will be eating my snacks or my snacks, only snacks for today, guys, because I don't want to get fat. I want to be slim always, keep fit and sexy, as that's what people like me to be. I hope so. So I want to stay very fit and sexy, healthy and young all the time, because I don't like to get old, and I hate to get old. I really hate to be old, and I really don't like to get old. So I always go to the gym every Monday, Wednesday and Friday to keep me young and healthy, and of course sexy, because I don't really like to be old, to get old. I want to be sexy all the time. So this is it. This is my lunch or snacks for today, guys. So I have here purple poto, guys. We call it poto or sticky rice, glutinous rice, purple glutinous rice, cooked in coconut milk, ginger, and coconut milk, ginger, and so I warm this up in the microwave, and then this served with coffee. I like to have a Nescafe original. I put it here. Put in water in it. Hot water. This served with coffee. I will slice it with mango because I want to eat it with mango. That's how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Done. So this is my lunch for today, and with a cup of coffee. Is it, guys? It's it, guys. Kain tayo. It. Mangaon pa, guys. This is only my snacks or lunch beverage. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Herbal coffee. Yum, yum, yum. This is my favorite lunch for today. Guys, this is my lunch for today. Glutinous purple rice or putumaya with mango, served with coffee. The original one. Lastly, coffee. Enjoy, guys. Let's eat. Bon appetit. Guys, this is my lunch for today. Glutinous purple rice or putumaya with mango, ripe mango, served with Nestle original coffee.